understand that fellas such as yourself have uniquely candid relationships with the women that they befriend. Am I right?
Fellas such as myself?
Well, but don't get me wrong. I have no problem with your lifestyle. I mean, what 2 or more grown men do in the privacy of their own home? Hell, it's of no concern to me. Now, I don't know what Molly's told you about me, all right? But if she said anything bad, let's face it, I probably deserve it.
Max, Cam, we haven't...
God is my witness. I will get her back.
Cool.
Now, can I count on you to put in a good word for me there, Elton John?
Yeah, whatever gets this over with.
You're the man, Kirk. Bring it in.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, you feel that tolerance? Man, you gays smell good. That's good. This is awesome. Does anybody have a camera?
Stainer.
What?
Hey, man, does that say...
Yep, I think it does.
Jesus, man. Did you guys get a picture?
By the way, Kirk, you can do better than these guys. I mean, this one is kind of cute, but the other two? Oof, show some pride, pal.
She's black, flashing blue. No time.
Pittsburgh Tower, football, you are clear for takeoff on runway 20.
She's touch, she smells sight, taste, and sound.
Roger that, Tower. Turn and burn.
Honestly, I'd have sex with that guy. Yeah, I would.